Hello friends, today we have learned it how to create thematic map in MapInfo. My introduction, Chandramohan Singh, RF engineer. Okay, let's see how we create thematic map. Firstly, we have open MapInfo. Firstly, we open MapInfo. In MapInfo, we open one of our export. We go to File, Open, and select our destination path where our export is. We go to Folder. Here is our export. We can select Export, MapInfo tab, automatic. After that, open. We zoom in. Here is our export. Firstly, we convert export to basic tab. For that, we right click in a space. After that, go to layer control. In layer control, we select our export name. Export. After that, we go to display. In display, we go to display mode. Style override. We click style override. After that, click this icon. Here we select size. We select size 5. In front font, we select MapInfo symbol. In symbol, we select circle. In color, we select green. Here we any color selected. It's depend on you. After that, okay. Here is basic tab of this export. After that, we create thematic. For thematic, we go to map, create thematic map, and another short key is F9. Create thematic map. Here number of plot we should to take from this export like RSRP, SINR, DL throughput, PCI. Guys, one more thing that we have to understand. For PCI plot, we have go to individual, and for RSRP, SINR, DL, UL, we go to ranges. Because SINR, DL, UL have particular range, and PCI is each individual PCI. So in case of we create thematic of PCI, then we go to individual, and create thematic of RSRP, SINR, DL, UL, we go to ranges. Suppose we create thematic of PCI, then we go to individual. One of template selected we have, like we select region individual. After that, we click next. In step 2 of 3, in table, here we selected our export. In field, which we want to create. We want to create PCI plot. For PCI plot, we go to serving cell identity. We select serving cell identity, click ignore 0 or blanks. After that, we click next. Here is range. Here is individual PCI. In this export, 4 PCI are serving. So 4 PCI are showing here. After that, we go to style. In style, firstly we click in apply all attribute. In all attribute, here is 18 number PCI. We click that. After that, we have select size. Suppose we select size 6. Friends, one more things to remember. In SCFT thematic map, we simply choose 6 to 8 size. For cluster, we simply choose 4 to 5 sizes. We choose 6 size. In font, we choose map info symbol. In symbol, we choose circle and color. In PCI, it's automatic by default color. We have taken by default color. Okay, color red. Okay. After that, we click 19. Same step we have done it here. 6 map info symbol, circle. Okay. 26 map info symbol, circle blue. 98 size 6 font map info symbol, circle, color pink. Product. Okay. So we have done it style. After that, we go to legend. In legend, suppose this is cell identity plot, then we mention, if we mention PCI, then we write here PCI. If we mention cell identity, then write here. This is editable. So friends, what do you want to show in our thematic? We write here. We write PCI. Okay, friends. One more things to remember. The each individual PCI here we have shown 18, 19, 20, and 98. We all are show this range and show record count. This is most important to remember. Show this range and show record count. After that, click OK. Friends, if we have changed our PCI font, then we click title font, any of which we select. Toma, we select 10, font size black, text color. After that, we click bold. Is this as per required? Not done to every thematic. After that, OK. Friends, here we PCI and range of this PCI, particular export PCI. After that, we have save each. Here we mention name. Suppose we have prepared report of Delhi circle, then we mention save as Delhi PCI. It's for remember. It's not for what you want, but it's for remember to. If we prepare our next report, then we simply click Delhi PCI and click OK. Then automatically previous legend will be selected. After that, OK. Then after friends, we click OK. Here is our legend of thematic PCI. After that, we click legend. Here is legend of PCI. This is legend of PCI, friends. One more thing, friends, if we go thematic, then we could click tool and thematic legend manager. So embedded legend. This is embedded legend. This is simply normal legend. So friends, we have done it thematic of PCI. For PCI plot, we have select individual. Similarly, if we create, if we want to create RSRP plot, then similarly we click map, create thematic map. After that, we go to ranges. Here number of legends were shown. We click any one of more, like line ranges default. After that, next. In second step, we select our export, and in field we select which plot one we want to create thematic. We create to thematic of RSRP. Then we select serving cell RSRP. After that, click 0 or blanks. After that, we click next. Friends, in this case, we want to need sample report because customer in which format customer wants to report. We give set legend according to this sample report format. Then we go to one of sample report. We go to PC. We open one of sample report. Here is one of report. Here is a plot. Friends, one of RSRP sample report is here. Zoom is out. Here is legend of RSRP. Suppose customer wants to in this simple report format. Then we go to map info and firstly we count number of ranges 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here is 8 ranges. Then we go to map info. In ranges we select equal count. In equal count we go to custom and hashtag of ranges. Here we select 8 because the sample report format ranges have 8. We have select none. After that we click recal. Here is 8 different ranges. We select different 8 ranges to according to our sample report. Here is minimum maximum. Similarly we go to sample report format and set legend according to sample report. Firstly -40 to 80, -40 to -80. Second one is -80 to -90, -80 to -90. Third one is -90 to -97, -90 to -97. Fourth one is -97 to -100. Fifth one is -100 to -105. Sixth one is -105 to -110. Seventh is -110 to -120. -120. And the last one is -120 to -130. We set legend to according to our sample report. After that we click recal. If we click recal, then number of count and number of percentage show here that count in our export. After that we click OK. After that we go to style. Then we click option. Here we click all attribute. Here each range is in show here. After that we click each and every range and create thematic. Firstly we click size. We have taken size 6. Map info symbol circle and then choose color according to our sample report. In 40 to 80, the sample color is blue. We choose blue. Okay. After that, we click another one, 6, map info symbol, and dark green. The color is dark green. We choose dark green. Okay. After that, third one range is 90 to 97. We click this particular range, size here 6, map info symbol, circle, and the particular range is green. We choose green. Fourth one is 6, font size, map info symbol, circle, and color gray. After that, we click fifth one. Here is size 6, font, map info symbol, circle, and color yellow. After that, we go to sixth number, font size 6, font, map info symbol, circle, and color. Here is this particular color. We choose this. After that, we go to seventh number, font size 6, font, map info symbol, circle, and color is red. After number, we click to 8 number of font size 6, font, map info symbol, circle, and color is black. After that, we click OK. Here is none, where we click and mention symbol none. After that, OK. After that, we click OK. Friends, where here only 5 ranges here, so here. Then we go to third step of our legend and show all ranges, -40 to 80, -80 to -90, -90 to 97, -97 to 100, -100 to 105, -105 to 110. Here this range is not show. So we click show this range. After 110 to 120, show this range. After 120 to 130, show this range, and all other okay. After that, we mention rename according to our sample report. In sample report, here is mentioned RSRP. We mention it RSRP. After that, we click OK. Friends, according to sample report, here is 8 legend and 8 ranges are shown here. After that, we click save as, and suppose we prepare report of Delhi circle, then we mention here Delhi. Delhi RSRP. We save Delhi RSRP name. After that, we click OK. OK. Friends, here is a legend of RSRP. Here is simply legend of RSRP. Similarly, we can create thematic of RSRQ, SINR, DL, UL. So friends, today we have learned about how to create thematic map in MapInfo. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and friends, don't forget to subscribe my channel.